So, as you can see, this part has broken. I'll show you what it looked like. It looks like that, but yeah, it just snapped off. So it's not off like that. So what I've done is I cut that off now, and the idea is I've just made this from a piece of metal. It's a piece of broom handle actually, and I'm going to drill a few holes, and then I'm going to put that up there, and hopefully it'll work. So when I bodge this together, let's see if I can get the mower back working without actually having to spend a fortune on a new mower or handles or anything like that. This now, and just need to rewind it there until it
full moon.
so can't get that nut in, it's stripped out, so I have to get a new one of those. That's in, and yeah. Now somebody's wondering why I'm not replacing all this. This is the second one I've replaced, and this is why I'm not replacing it. It's because it's got a massive hole here, so I'm gonna do a quick fix on that, and also it's got a crack down there, so the deck is rotten on it, so I'm not going to spend any more money trying to, you know, fix it properly, because there's no point really. So that's it. So let's see if it works. Job's a good one.